Imagine predicting the future just by crunching numbers. That's data science for you. Data science is like the Sherlock Holmes of the tech world. It digs through massive amounts of information to find patterns and insights. But how does it work? Think of it as three main steps: collecting data, analyzing it, and then making decisions based on what you've found. First, it starts with gathering data from various sources like social media, sensors, or even your online shopping habits. Next, data scientists use algorithms and statistical models to analyze this data. Finally, they turn these complex numbers into actionable insights. So where is data science used? Everywhere. In healthcare, it predicts disease outbreaks. In finance, it detects fraud. Retailers use it to personalize your shopping experience. And even sports teams use it to improve player performance. So next time you get a perfect product recommendation or notice how smooth your banking app is, remember, data science is working its magic behind the scenes. Cool, right? Subscribe for more tech tidbits.